Azure API Management, Security. Azure API Management security features, including OAuth, JWT validation, and IP filtering, play a crucial role in protecting your APIs and ensuring secure access to your services. These features help you establish robust security measures to safeguard your API ecosystem. OAuth, Open Authorization, is a security protocol that allows secure authorization and delegation of API access. In Azure API Management, OAuth can be used to ensure that only authorized clients can access your APIs. Features: Authorization Server. Azure API Management can act as an OAuth authorization server, enabling clients to obtain access tokens for API calls. Token Validation. It can validate access tokens before processing API requests to ensure they are valid and have not expired. Client Credentials. OAuth supports client credentials grant, enabling secure authentication of clients for access to APIs. Authorization Code Flow. It supports the authorization code flow, allowing users to grant third-party applications limited access to their data. JWT Validation. JWT, JSON Web Token Validation, is a security feature that verifies the authenticity and integrity of JSON Web Tokens used for authentication and authorization. Features: Token Validation. Azure API Management can validate JWT tokens by verifying their signature and checking their claims. Claim Validation. You can set up policies to validate specific claims in the JWT, such as issuer and audience. Token Revocation. You can implement token revocation policies to invalidate JWT tokens in case of security concerns. IP filtering. IP filtering is a security feature that allows you to control which IP addresses or ranges are allowed to access your APIs. It can be used to restrict access to specific clients or locations. Features: Whitelisting. You can specify a list of IP addresses or IP ranges that are allowed to access the API, effectively creating a whitelist. Blacklisting. Conversely, you can specify IP addresses or ranges to block, creating a blacklist to prevent access from specific sources. Flexible configuration. Azure API Management provides flexibility in setting up IP filtering rules, including wildcards and ranges. Summary: OAuth provides secure authorization and delegation of API access, acts as an authorization server, supports token validation and various grant types. JWT validation ensures the authenticity and integrity of JSON Web Tokens, validates token signature and claims, supports claim validation and token revocation. IP filtering controls access to APIs based on IP addresses or ranges, offers whitelisting and blacklisting options, allows flexible rule configuration with wildcards and ranges. Thanks for watching.